This is a project in which we are going to turn motor on or off through the web page. Here is the Hack Nano board. We are using Hack Nano board because it provides an ease to program the ESP01 module, which is this module. It needs to be programmed, and there is a bit complicated process. By using this board, we can program it very easily. We are using Arduino Nano here, and this orange pin is the output for the motor, and we are taking ground of this black pin. Now this is the code which is available on the link, and now we are going to turn the motor on through the web page. Now this motor is off as shown here. Now we are going to turn it on. Here the shaft is rotating, but we are